I, Edward Cullen, take you, Bella Swan.
I Twilight-seriens 4. film, Breaking Dawn Part 1, får fansene endelig Bella og Edwards længe ventede bryllup at se. Men filmens mandlige romantiske helt har svært ved at forstå, at romancen bliver betragtet som det perfekte kærlighedsforhold af de dedikerede Twilight-fans.
I mean, I find it a very difficult relationship. I mean, with more problems than an average relationship. I mean, it's like, you know, you've got to, throughout the time they know each other, she has to make decisions like whether to be with him. She basically has to abandon her entire family and her entire life and you know, get almost nothing in return, and also essentially sell your soul to be with this person. I mean, and also be in danger all the time of being killed. I mean, it sounds like, I don't think the majority of people would really want that relationship. I always find it interesting that people find it so perfect. I mean, they love each other, but I mean, plenty of people love each other, and they're not people trying to kill them all the time.
Men selvom Pattinson ikke synes, der er tale om det perfekte forhold, tror han, at de fleste, ligesom Edward, vil gå gennem ild og vand for deres elskede. Og derfor giver karakteren heller ikke de mange kvindelige Twilight-fans urealistiske drømme om kærlighed og mænds måder at elske på.
No, I mean, I think if you love anyone, you kind of feel like that. I mean, you know, you just don't have to prove it on a regular basis. But like, you know, if you're in love with someone, I mean, I think the majority of people would say, yeah, if I have to die for this person to live, and I will. Like, I mean, you don't really love someone if you're like, no, I don't want to. Like, just let them die. Yeah.
Kærligheden mellem Bella og Edward blomstrer i biograferne fra 17. november.